Hi everyone. So today we have with us Suzanne, All India rank 1025 in CLAT 2026. Huge congratulations, Suzanne.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
How's the feeling? कैसा लग रहा है?
मैम बिलीव नहीं हो रहा है पहली बात तो बिकॉज़ वी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 1 एंड अ हाफ ईयर एंड आफ्टर डूइंग कंसिस्टेंट लाइक मेहनत एंड हार्ड वर्क वो फाइनली जब पे करता है यू फील मतलब कि व्हाट इज़ दिस मोमेंट रियली हैव आई बीन एबल टू डू
Still
इट
sinking in.
और फिर ये लाइक ड्रीम तो नहीं है सो या आई एम स्टिल इन दैट मोमेंट अभी थोड़ा तो टाइम लगेगा सिंक इन होने में ये सारी चीज़ों का।
Suzanne, as a student, so she was part of our 2 year program. She always believed in consistency is the key and also smart work over hard work. So, yeah, your hard work and smart work collectively paid off very, very well. So, my first question to you, Suzanne, would be why law? How did you decide? When did you decide that you want to pursue law as a career? And कैसे फिर CLAT and ALET एग्जाम के बारे में सोचा?
Okay, so in class 11th, basically, I decided to pursue humanities stream because I wanted to UPSC. And since I got to know that UPSC के लिए you need to do एक पहले degree, कोई भी degree you have to do, उसके बाद only you can like at least attempt UPSC. So I talked to my friends who were in their humanities stream, and they suggested that you should do law because the subjects of UPSC and law they are somewhere more or less similar. So I decided that I will do law, that I explored what are the law entrance exams. I came across CLAT. And then obviously legal subject was new for me and this law entrance exam was quite new for me. So then I started exploring what are the coaching institutes, how can I get help from anyone, how can I get guidance. And I came across Career Launcher because there were many seniors in my school and there were many classmates of mine who were in Career Launcher. And I got some really good feedbacks that they have great faculties, they provide you great support, and I can assure that Career Launcher does provide you really great support. And really thank you ma'am and all the other faculties who helped me. They provided me round the clock doubt clearing, and I would message them, and within 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes, within 1 minute or 2 minutes, I would get immediate responses that this is where you're going wrong, or you should pursue this thing, or you should look at this thing from this point of view. And yeah, that's it, I think.
Oh, great, great. So tell us about your preparation strategy. कैसे पढ़ाई करी? तुम्हारी सक्सेस रेसिपी क्या था? How did you, prepare? Did you prepare a schedule, or if you did, how did you balance school, everything? Let us know about everything.
Okay, so from 11th, the moment I joined this coaching, it was quite new, like balancing a coaching and balancing my school thing. And since दोनों चीज़ें ही बहुत अलग थी, because school is teaching you about writing subjective answers,
Correct.
and then here we have to prepare for MCQ, so you have to pay like attention to the minute details as well. तो like 2 to 3 months मेरा यही पहचानने में चला गया कि what should I do, how should I do it.
Correct.
But then I think it was in December or in November when I got to know that we have to attend or attempt the mocks now. So I thought this is the time that I have to be really, really serious about things. And I thought ki let's start at least पहला mock देते हैं. And after my first mock, I got to know that yeah, now you have to do things like आपने जो गलती करी, you have to see where you are going wrong. And that is what I followed. Like I would give the mock, I would see where my errors are, what my mistakes were, and then I would ask how can I correct this, or why my point of view is wrong, why is this the correct answer. And that really helped me to know and work on where I was going wrong, and slowly I improved.
Great, great, great. If you talk about subjects, right? Could you let us know about subjects you faced most difficulty in? सबसे ज़्यादा मुश्किल कौन से subject में वो? Your area of
I
improvement?
think it was LR, logical, and RC.
Okay, logical and RC. So how did you actually deal with both the subjects, and how did you come out of, and like your graph eventually improved to a great extent? So कैसे करा?
In RC, मेरा major problem was vocab, and वो उस चीज़ को go like overcome करने के लिए I decided and I asked my teachers, and they all suggested that you should read more and more, and
Reading.
whatever new word you come across, find its meaning, try to incorporate in your daily life so that you know what it actually means. And that really helped me. For logical, the key was practice and clearing whatever doubts you have. So whenever I would go wrong in any question that I attempted, be it in my home, be it in any mock or in any practice sheet, I would see where I'm going wrong, and I would ask, how can I improve it? Or why is whatever I am thinking is wrong? How should I think? So that was the key, how it helped me overcome all these weak points of mine.
So Suzanne says reading is the key for English, and for LR, practice, 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 keep analyzing. That is going to help you. So that's how she came out of her subject she was most scared of and came out like really, really well. Often in CLAT, we tend to ignore the importance of maths. Like students tend to ignore the importance. Maths hai 10% and nahi aata, kaun padega? They have that maths phobia. Please let us know how important is maths as a subject and why should you not ignore maths and how did you go about reading and studying maths?
So maths, as I heard starting में ही कि people are saying that maths is a section जो कि students ignore करते हैं.
Correct.
I thought कि rather than ignoring and be in like the masses or majority of section, I decided why not do what others are not doing. So I pushed myself and I really liked maths. So I thought I can do it. What is it? Like it's just basic 10th class maths. थोड़ी ज़्यादा आपको अपनी प्रैक्टिस बढ़ानी पड़ेगी, थोड़ी अपने कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर
Clear
करने
करने
थे.
होंगे, correct.
सो दैट वाज जस्ट इट. एंड उसके अलावा आई गॉट टू नो कि दिस इज द मैथ्स ओनली जो कि आपकी टॉप रैंकिंग डिसाइड करती है, बिकॉज ऑलमोस्ट 80% ऑफ एस्पायरेंट्स दे विल अटेम्प्ट ऑल द अदर सेक्शंस, बट मैथ्स सेक्शन ऐसा था कि जो कि सिर्फ 10 और 20% ही अटेम्प्ट करते थे.
So game changer.
या एंड उसमें भी इट वाज लाइक कि मैक्सिमम बच्चे दे वुड अटेम्प्ट like 4 to 5 questions, what my teachers told me. So I decided I will push myself through. I'll at least attempt 10 questions and I'll make sure that whatever number of questions I'm attempting, they're the correct ones. So that
Correct.
I have no negative marking and my accuracy is highest in maths.
Yeah, you always used to score like 9, 10, 11 in mock
Yeah.
marks. That's what I remember. So maths is important, game changer. Please remember that basic 9, 10th level maths hai. Very basic concepts. Work on those, revise those, clear your fundamentals because maths के बिना आप आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते, बहुत अच्छी तरीके से आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते. So you had a couple of friends at the
Yeah.
center, right? Arshia, Sunishka, and you guys used to do group study. So please let us know the importance of group study. How did that help you? And how can one think about group study if they're actually trying to prepare for these competitive exams?
Competitive exam mein you have this advantage ki you will get friends in your coaching, even in your school. So you should use that to your best. Like I had friends, Sunishka and Arshia, they were here with the three of us since we were giving CLAT and ALED. सबसे बड़ा advantage came to us while we were revising. So whenever we would sit together and we would revise concepts, it was like there was one concept that I wasn't aware of. So they would tell me about that. Mostly it helped in GK because right before the exam, I guess 1 week prior to the exam, we were on a meet almost every day and we would discuss the important topics that we covered, what are the things that we revised today, what are the things that happened new. And in that meeting we would get to know that there are some topics that the other person hasn't done and I have
Correct.
done, and there are some topics which I have done or which I haven't done and they have done. So they would tell me that this is something that you should cover, and that really helped me a
You
lot.
guys pushed each other.
Yes.
जहाँ तुम थोड़ी ढीली पड़ गई वहाँ वो आ गए.
हाँ.
Motivate.
And even peer study ज़्यादा help करती, like
because they're in the
से-
same shoes as you are ना, तो
and
relate
teachers
कर
you
सकते.
don't most at times होता है कि आपकी थोड़ी hesitation होती है टीचर से पूछने में, but peers में it's like कि I have this issue and वो आपके mental level पे भी same होते हैं, तो वो
Correct.
easily समझ में आ जाता है what the other person is
Correct.
trying to
And
make
they
you
are in the
understand.
same shoes. They're going through the same journey. मतलब we're telling you कि इतना पढ़ो, but they're actually reading that. And obviously, yaar, matlab, that's obviously there. So it helped you, it motivated you. So anyone who's planning to prepare for these exams, group study, try it out. Not saying ki you have to do it. Try it out. If it helps, it can help you brilliantly. So that's obviously there. One piece of advice, Suzanne, that you would like to give to the law aspirants out there who want to pursue law, who want to write and sit for these exams. क्या बोलना चाहोगे उनको?
कि never get demotivated. Like ऐसा मेरे साथ बहुत बार हुआ था that I would get really high scores in mock and the other mock I would go like really down. So उस टाइम पे I guess in 1 or 2 mocks I would get really demotivated that how can I go this down, how can I go this low. That wasn't my range of marks. So
हाँ, इसका fluctuate होता था. कभी अचानक top 5 and then
I would go
10K,
like in 50s and
नीचे.
60s.
Right, right.
So उस टाइम पे you should make sure कि आप demotivate ना हो. You should look where you went wrong. Was it because of your overconfidence or was it because of some silly mistakes? Did you miss the words or were you not aware of the topics that
Or
were
was
asked
the day
in
not
GK?
fine? मतलब मैं बहुत stressed हूँ, बहुत school का काम हो गया, proper sleep नहीं हुई and probably I sat for a mock. So yeah, analyze.
So all those things actually, and those are the factors that actually matter why your mock scores went down or went high. Even when your mock scores are high, just don't be like, oh, I scored really good. You should analyze why you scored really good. You should get to know that, yeah, this is why I did this option and whether my thinking or my logic was actually correct or was it just कि तुक्का लगा दिया और सही हो गया. That should not be there. You should actually analyze कि तुम्हारा जो logic था was that correct, and if ये तुक्का था तो फिर actual logic क्या होना चाहिए था
So
यहाँ पे.
coming to that, how did you analyze your mocks? Because taking mocks is one process, but analyzing is more important than actually taking mocks. So कैसे analyze करती थी?
like हमारी like we had mocks actual CLAT के timing पे from 2 to 4.
Hmm.
So whenever I would reach home, I would like freshen up a bit, and then from 5 to almost 7 or 6:30, I would sit with my mock and the answer key. First, I would see where I went right, where I went wrong, and then I would just collect all the answers where I went wrong, why I went wrong, and then I would make sure that after 1 week or something, I would reattempt those questions.
Oh,
And if I went right this time, and if I was again wrong, then I would ask my teachers if why is this option, why is this particular option right. At times, there was some answer की discrepancy as well. So उस चीज के लिए भी you need to contact your teachers, which I cleared with my teachers.
so communicate, speak up, do
Yes.
not just solve things on your own.
एंड उससे फिर पता चलता था कि एट टाइम्स इट वाज नॉट माय मिस्टेक, वो कभी कभार आंसर की में डिस्क्रिपेंसी हो जाती है, तो यू
correct.
शुड मेक श्योर कि आप क्लियर करो सो दैट यू डोंट गेट डिमोटिवेटेड कि मेरा कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर नहीं था.
But then good part is you used to do it that day itself.
Yeah,
Mock दिया
बिकॉज
गए,
उस दिन
fresh
यू
in
हैव
mind
दैट
में.
फ्रेश इन माइंड कि
Correct.
हाँ मैंने इस लॉजिक से आंसर सेलेक्ट करा था. द नेक्स्ट डे व्हाट हैपेंस कि यू स्लीप एंड यू गेट अप, तो आप मैक्सिमम चीजें भूल
भूल
जाते
जाते
हो
हो.
कि आपने ये आंसर ही क्यों चूज करा था. यू थिंक मे बी तुक्का लगाया होगा. तो इट्स
Correct.
बेटर कि जिस दिन आप मॉक दे रहे हो उसी दिन आप घर जा करके एनालाइज कर लो, बिकॉज सब कुछ आपको पता रहता है कि हाँ दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई आई चोज दिस आंसर.
नहीं, correct, that's very important. And reach out, seek help. सब कुछ खुद से नहीं हो सकता है. Confusion लग रही, seek help. You have people, you have friends, you have mentors. Seek help. You have parents, and seek help for any kind of problem, not just content related doubts. So very well said, Suzanne. And my last question to you would be, what has been the role of CL, Career Launcher, in your entire preparation journey?
I think the role of CL was a very major role that it played because it provided me foundation. Because पहले तो मेरे को पता ही नहीं था what is CLAT, कैसे अप्रोच करना है इस पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम को, एग्जाम का पैटर्न क्या है, सिलेबस क्या है. तो इन्होंने like you guys provided me foundation कि हाँ this is the base, this is the syllabus, this is how you have to approach it. And then came the mocks जो कि सबसे ज़्यादा help करा है like मेरी journey में personally, because mocks में you get to know कि हाँ this is where you are standing. I remember my first marks being around 50s to 60s, and now in my CLAT I scored 91. तो वो जो increase हुआ that was because of mock and because of the teachers. Like मुझे जो immediate doubts होते थे I would ask, or either I would collect the doubts and one day I would just wait for the class, I would come ask in person to person. Even अगर मुझे doubts होते थे I would ask online. अगर online मुझे satisfied answer नहीं मिलते थे या मुझे लगता था कि नहीं I have more doubts, I would wait for in person meeting and then face to face I would answer. And सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट ये भी था कि टीचर्स का रोल, दे वर रियली एक्टिव, एंड द मोमेंट यू आस्क देम एनी डाउट, एनी टीचर, they were ready to answer you, they were ready to help you anytime, be it at night 10 p.m. or be it in the morning 9 a.m. So thank you so much to Career Launcher and all the teachers.
No, indeed, we are very happy that you've come out of flying colors, and we wish you all the best. Congratulations again. Thank you.
Thank you.